Okay, let's get started on round 3. You're going to be on your side with the lower leg tucked underneath you for support and the top leg extended out straight with your core engaged. Your quad muscle is squeezed and tight, toes to your nose. She's counting out loud. We're going to 15.
4.
Beautiful.
5. 6.
Now this is fantastic if you have any kind of hip pain.
8.
Just build stability in the hip and you should start to feel it all in through here. Feel the burn.
11. 12.
If it starts to get too much, you can get in there and massage while you work.
15.
Just keep going. No, listen to your body. Take breaks when you need. Couple deep breaths. And then we'll go ahead and we'll start with our second set of 15 on this side. Lift.
1. 2.
Good. Excellent. Remember your core.
3.
Beautiful.
4.
She likes to double check.
6. 7.
I'm sure you're feeling it by now.
8.
If you feel muscle burning here and here, you're doing it right.
10. Yes. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15.
15! Beautiful. Now rest. Bend this knee up. We're going to log roll up to sitting so we can switch sides and do the other leg. Bring your hairstyle protective pillow. You're going to be on your side, the bottom leg bent for support, your top leg straight, extended, toes to your nose. Beautiful. Count out loud as you lift and lower.
2.
Breathe on the movement.
3. 4.
Beautiful.
5. 6. 7.
Good, and go ahead and relax that upper body.
9.
Everything else is relaxed. You're breathing. You're having fun. Really isolating the buns. That's where you're going to feel this.
14.
Last one.
15.
Good. Rest. Couple deep breaths. Reach and rub all around the hip if you need to. Be good to yourself. That's what this is all about. Now, we're going to do our second round of lifts. Count to 15.
3. 4.
Good.
5.
Relax that upper
6.
body. If you feel like you're going to roll back, you can grab onto the sofa.
9.
I want you to feel secure and safe.
11. 12.
Obviously, you can do this on a bed and position yourself in the middle of the bed so you feel safe and
15.
comfortable. Excellent. Now you're going to be on your back. So bend both your knees, log roll onto your back. Keep those knees bent. Press your belly button into your spine. And we're going to do a chest press. So bring both your arms up. It's like we're simulating a bench press. And down. And extend the arms and come down. And extend. And good. That's 4. Down. 5. Excellent.
6. 7.
Beautiful. So you're going to feel this in your chest muscles. You're going to feel it in your shoulders.
9.
We can't forget our arms.
10.
All movement is good.
11. 12. 13.
Good. She's still pressing her low back in.
14.
Her core is always working. Everything is an abdominal workout. Take a couple deep breaths. And when you're ready, we'll go for that second set of 15. And
1.
breathe on the movement. Excellent.
2. 3. 4.
Beautiful job.
5. 6. 7. 8.
You can do it.
9.
Come on. You're worth it.
10. 11. 12. 13.
2 more.
14.
1 more.
15.
Well done. We have one more. It's called bridges. You're going to stay in this position. You're going to bring your hips up to the ceiling to work the back of your legs and your low back. Always, exactly. Pull your core in and breathe on the movement. Lift as if we're trying to slide something underneath you. Come back down and breathe. In and out. We're going for 15. Take breaks when you need to. Really feel this in your hamstrings, your buns, your back. You should have no pain. If you do, you don't want to do this movement. Try making it smaller. If that doesn't work, then we'll move on to something else.
7,
Beautiful job.
8,
This one works a lot of muscles.
9,
Where do you feel it, Mimi? Buns of steel. Good. I do this one in my boot camp, so I know.
and 12,
It is not easy.
13,
Definitely worth it. These are your standing up muscles,
14,
so they're very important. They're very important in walking.
15.
So all of these movements we're doing for a reason. Good. Take a couple deep breaths. And when you're ready, we'll do our last set of 15 in the series. Almost done.
1,
Perfect.
2,
Always checking in with her core. She's a model student.
3, 4, 5,
Good. This is a very important one to make sure that your neck is supported and it's nice and flat.
7,
If you have too many pillows and your neck is bent too far
8,
forward, then you want to go ahead and remove a couple pillows because you want to
9,
exercise with a nice flat spine, always keeping in mind what position that your spine is in. This is a perfect amount of elevation.
12, 13, 14,
Last one.
15.
Yes, nice work. Thank you so much for sticking with it. We're going to come back in 5 minutes and make sure you're in a chair when we see you again. Okay, hit stop and we'll see you in an hour.